what made you decide to focus on this kind of theme sa album mo?
Ako kasi, I'm the yes.
Actually, I like that you touch on situationships kasi diba, it's something that we don't touch often. Laging breakups lang.
Yes.
Or yung kunwari, yun nga, abusive relationships. Pero
Yeah.
situationships is very unique. So, siguro, di na lang ako magdadive into the personal thing. Pero, why situationships yung parang kailangan natin bigyan ng attention sa music?
Kasi it's very dangerous yung situationship. Kapag alam niya yung mga ibang relationship na sobrang pag tumagal, mas lalong masakit. And minsan sa mental health din ng ibang tao, nakaka-apekto siya. Kaya gusto ko pagtuunan ng pansin itong situationship para doon lang tayo sa may level. Kasi mas okay yun, may assurance ka, di ba, na oh, love talaga ako nito. Kasi mahirap yung pinapaasa ka lang. Yes.
Thank you so much, Fana.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello po.
Chris from One Music Please.
Hello po, Sir Chris.
Yo. So yeah, so you're also known as yung sa pagpe-perform mo ng mga urban style ng music.
Yes,
Tapos
po.
at the same time nag-excel ka pa din sa yung parang traditional pop music. So paano mo nababalance yan sa sa dito sa album mo?
Ako naman po kasi, as a singer, open naman po ako sa pag-explore ng iba-ibang styles. Kung ano rin po yung hinihingi ng song, yun lang din yung binigay ko, yung pagkaka-interpret ko, kaya yun po. Ganun ko po siya binabalance. Kung ano lang din po yung hinihingi ng song. Yeah.
Tapos second question. So you also get to work from time to time with si Apple Diab.
Yes.
So how is it like working with him and ano yung mga natututunan mo under his mentorship?
So Coach Apple is one of the artists I look up to since I was a kid. And it's a privilege to share the stage with him. Talagang every time na nagpo-perform ako with him, sobrang saya ng puso ko kasi it's a dream come true. And I just want to thank Coach Apple for giving me the chance to, perform with him and the songs of Black Eyed Peas. And kaya, ayun, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako and grateful ako sa kanya na naniniwala siya sa akin with my talent and
Thank you.
thank you.
Hi, Fana. Congrats sa new album.
Maraming
Sa
salamat
debut.
po.
Yes, can you share to us the story about Sa Tabla Tayo?
Tabla tayo. It is written by the amazing Dana Balagtas, who wrote Marupok, and also Sir Jonathan Manalo. So, they wrote Tabla Tayo. And Tabla Tayo is very, it holds, it's all about, acceptance. Acceptance. Wala nang laban, wala rin galit. Just two people who did what they could sa relationship.
And aside from ano pa abangan ng mga fans sa'yo for the next following projects or this year?
Syempre, more music coming. And ito talaga, itong mga ilalabas natin ay, ito talaga yung sound ni Fana talaga. So this album is introduction for my upcoming songs and shows. Yes, hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congrats again.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm from Soundcheck Manila.
Hello po.
Hi, congrats!
Thank you.
So, a question could be, what does this album teach you about love na you realized or you didn't know before or you had to realize again? Yeah. Thank you.
I'm sorry po.
What does the album teach you about love that you didn't know before or maybe you had to be reminded of?
Know your worth. Kasi sometimes we love too much and we forget about ourselves. So it talks about, it teaches you how to love yourself more. Self-love. Yeah.
Ikaw, how do you show self-love to yourself?
OMG. Siyempre, you know your limits dun. I mean, when you love, magtira ka din for yourself. And hindi lahat, you know, balance lang, kumbaga, balance lang yung binibigay mo. And yeah, for me, ganun lang din ako. I always think of myself first before bago ako pumasok sa relationship.
Like, mga other things like not love, maybe just activities. How do you show self-love? Like,
Self-love-
activities when you're not working. Do you like to go to the spa or eat something nice?
Yeah. Medyo vain din kasi ako. So, I like to take care of myself. You know, work out. What else? Yung magpaganda. Yeah, that's how I show myself love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Relax naman. Kasi yung question na yun.
Paganda.
Is there anyone else that has a question or questions for Fana? Do you have a couple more questions for Fana?
Thank you so much.
Grabe yung showing self-love, ha? Wow,
Kailangan natin yun. Everyone, kailangan natin.
Hello, good evening po. And congratulations for your album.
Thank you.
The question lang po is, your music span themes like love and heartbreak. Which of these themes do you feel is most prominent po in this album?
Gusto ko yung heartbreak. Yeah, kasi, yun na yung realizations. Doon na lumalabas yung realizations. And, kasi when we're in love, hindi pa natin nare-realize yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga, kung ano mga bagay na hindi naman dapat. But pag nasaktan na tayo, doon na natin nare-realize. So, mas prominent yung heartbreak talaga dito sa album na to. And later, you'll get to watch and to listen sa mga, lalo na sa lyrics sa mga songs later. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Fana, may question ako. Sa lahat ng songs mo na tungkol sa heartbreak, sa anong song na pinaka nakarelate ka?
Ako?
Oo.
Ala,
Sorry naman, hindi, na-curious talaga ako.
heartbreak.
Or pinakamasakit?
Well, lahat sila masakit. Pero feel ko masakit pa rin yung meron pero wala. Kasi, ang hirap talaga pag, alam mo yun, akala mo meron. Pero wala. Alam mo yun, akala mo meron, pero wala. And, alam mo yung pag tumagal siya, sobrang sakit nun. Tapos makikita mo na lang siya sa iba.
So, meron pero wala. Okay.
Yeah.
Does anyone else have any questions para kay Fana? Ayun.
Hello po.
Hi, Fana. Congratulations. I think part of your musical journey din na yung reinvention or evolution of yourself. How would you describe your style now? May nagbago ba over the years?
Well, before kasi, bata. So now, I wanna show myself as, you know, fierce, edgy, but palaban. Alam mo yung palaban na ako. Ay, palaban ako. But, yeah, palaban, you know, in a good way naman. Yeah.
And if meron kang gustong ma-manifest in your career, given New Year ngayon, ano yun?
Of course, hit song and concert. Yes. Yung minamanifest ko na yun, kiniklaim ko na yun. And collaborations with other artists as well. Thank you.
Sino yung top 3 collaborations na gusto mong gawin?
Hello.
Top 3.
Okay. So, for me, hello. Sarah G pa rin. Sarah G, kasi hindi ko pa siya na-collaborate sa original song. Sobrang idol ko kasi si Ate Sarah G.
Coach mo yun sa The Voice
Yes,
team?
Coach Lara. And of course, Coach Apple, yeah. Yes, kasi I always listen to Black Eyed Peas dati pa. And Miss Casey.
Bagay.
Yeah, isa din siya sa mga artists na talagang nilook up ko.
Nice.
Ayun, may dagdag lang pong question. Ang daming nakakaranas ng situationship on TikTok and different social media accounts. Ang dami din natin mga singer-songwriters na sumusulat about it. So, what are your message po sa kanila, sa mga singer-songwriter natin like you na nagsusulat about situationship experience nila, ganun?
I encourage them to, you know, write more songs about, you know, situationships. And ayun, sana dumami pa kasi mabuhay ang OPM, di ba? And it's important na hirapan kasi so, gagaling ng mga 2 years ago talaga yung original plan for my album. Pero kasi alam niyo, hindi mo pa talaga fully hindi ka pa fully handa na ilabas. So now, na ayun, nakapag-write pa ng ibang songs, sabi ko, eto na yun. Yeah, it's time. So, I'm so happy na sobrang smooth lang and sobrang ganda ng mga songs. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, and we are so excited to hear all of those songs live maya-maya. Di ba guys? Excited tayo?
Yes.
Okay, pero syempre maraming salamat sa iyo, Fana, for all the
Thank you,
insights sa
Jeremy.
album mo. Thank you so much to our friends in the press and the media for all of your questions sa Q&A. But that officially closes our Q&A portion for tonight. But please sit back, relax, enjoy some food, enjoy some drinks as we prepare to start the program para sa official